What's up, guys? This is Tom. Today we're going to hang out with my buddy Steve. I've known this dude for over 20 years. He's got 3 bikes. He works on the bikes himself, does all the maintenance. 1985 Harley Davidson Lowrider, 1985 Wide Glide, and a 2007 Honda VTX 1300R. So we're going to check those out. You're also going to hear some conversations we had at a bunch of the red lights. I went ahead and chopped those up so you don't have to hear through a bunch of fluff. It's some pretty interesting stuff. I hope you guys like it. All right, you guys ready to go check it out? Let's do it.
Sounds good?
Hell yeah. So this is my buddy Steve. Steve, what year's that bike?
85 Harley Davidson FXSB Lowrider.
Chinga.
And see, that's different from the old Harleys. Like the old Harleys, like back in the 50s or the 30s and 20s and shit. They actually had classes for people that owned Harleys on how to maintain and fix their own bikes.
Oh, man.
They had classes way like in the 40s and World War II, shit like that. When they used to, people used to ride it, they would have classes on how you could do that yourself instead of you having to go to the dealership.
Yeah.
Their thing then was, well, we'll sell them the parts.
Yeah.
I guess they didn't have a service department right there.
Yep.
They charge people 40 grand to certify them to work on Harleys. You go to the Harley dealership and say, oh, we're not Harley. Go work at the Honda place.
How much you think you put into it so far?
325, 330. The stator was only 65 bucks. The rectifier was like 50 bucks. The battery, that was $89.
Dude, yeah, and then they get it done in an hour, but they tell you it took 3.
Roll it to the back, go to lunch, and say, oh yeah, that's ready. And I started this one.
Starts right up. I paid it off a couple months ago.
Yeah, that's badass. Like all that windshield shit, I go, what's the point of having a bike?
What, with the windshield?
Yeah.
I know.
I drive my truck has a windshield. Ever since I bought it, I put it in the garage.